If TikTok is not showing your followers, start by refreshing the app. Close TikTok completely, reopen it, and check your followers list again. If the issue persists, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection might prevent TikTok from loading certain data. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data or restarting your router to improve the connection. Next, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Open Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if there is a newer version available. An outdated app can cause display issues. You can also clear TikTok cache to fix this problem. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find TikTok, tap on it, then go to storage and select clear cache. Reopen TikTok and check if the followers list is now visible. If the issue is not resolved, log out of your TikTok account and log back in. This can refresh your profile and fix display glitches. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store. This will give you a clean version of the app and may resolve the issue. Lastly, if the problem continues, it might be related to a server issue on TikTok's end. Check TikTok's official support page or social media channels for updates and consider reaching out to their support team for further assistance.